The RE603X AX1750 Wi-Fi range extender is a device designed to boost the range and speed of your home or office Wi-Fi network. In this report, we will provide a detailed overview of the features, benefits, and performance of this Wi-Fi range extender. Features: the RE603X AX1750 Wi-Fi range extender is equipped with advanced features that make it an excellent choice for extending the range and speed of your Wi-Fi network. Some of the key features include: the RE603X supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands, providing you with faster and more stable Wi-Fi connections. The RE603X supports Wi-Fi speeds of up to 1750 megabits per second, which is ideal for streaming, gaming, and other high-bandwidth activities. The range extender is easy to set up with its user-friendly web interface and the WPS button for quick setup. The range extender features 3 external antennas that can be adjusted to provide better coverage and signal strength. The range extender comes with a Gigabit Ethernet port that allows you to connect wired devices to your Wi-Fi network. Benefits: there are several benefits to using the RE603X AX1750 Wi-Fi range extender, including: the range extender can extend your Wi-Fi coverage to areas of your home or office that are not covered by your existing Wi-Fi network. The RE603X can improve the speed of your Wi-Fi network, making it faster and more stable. The range extender is easy to set up and does not require any technical expertise, making it a convenient solution for extending your Wi-Fi network. The range extender comes with a Gigabit Ethernet port that allows you to connect wired devices to your Wi-Fi network. Performance: the performance of the RE603X AX1750 Wi-Fi range extender is impressive, with users reporting significant improvements in both Wi-Fi coverage and speed. The range extender provides strong and stable Wi-Fi signals, even in areas where the signal strength was previously weak. The dual-band Wi-Fi and high-speed capabilities of the RE603X make it ideal for streaming, gaming, and other high-bandwidth activities. Overall, the RE603X AX1750 Wi-Fi range extender is an excellent device for extending the range and speed of your Wi-Fi network. It is easy to set up, offers a range of advanced features, and provides impressive performance. If you are looking for a reliable and effective solution for improving your Wi-Fi network, the RE603X AX1750 Wi-Fi range extender is definitely worth considering. The pros and cons of product: reduced network speed. When using a Wi-Fi range extender, you may experience a reduction in network speed due to the way the device operates. Range extenders typically work by rebroadcasting the Wi-Fi signal, which can lead to slower connection speeds. Interference and signal disruption. Wi-Fi signals can be easily disrupted by physical obstacles such as walls or other electronics. The same interference can happen with the range extender itself, causing a disruption in the signal strength and speed. Limited coverage area. Wi-Fi range extenders have a limited coverage area, and the range will depend on factors such as the size and layout of your home or office. In some cases, you may need to purchase multiple range extenders to cover your entire space, which can be expensive. Setup can be challenging. Depending on your level of technical expertise, setting up a Wi-Fi range extender can be challenging. If you don't have experience with networking, you may need to seek assistance to set up the device correctly. May not work with all routers. Some Wi-Fi range extenders may not be compatible with all routers or Wi-Fi networks. Before purchasing a range extender, it's important to check compatibility with your existing network.